my new obsession. All I want to do, you my new obsession, girl. I feel on top of the world with you, baby.
Daisy. Got you right. Don't hold me.
Okay, well here's me trying to see if the lake's frozen, okay? Okay. Here I go. Onto the lake. That may or not be frozen.
It's a pond. See?
Whatever it is.
She threw that rock.
Okay, I don't want to do it from here. Because I know I'm going to fall in. Okay, here's what we do. Not frozen there. Here's what you do. Now if it's frozen, I may die.
Wait a sec, why if it's frozen?
I mean it's not frozen. That's why I'm not letting go of the grass. Okay, so far it is. Okay, you know what? I think it's frozen. Shannon, why don't you see? Okay, this is us blowing up our balloon.
Us blowing up a balloon.
Or blowing down a balloon, whatever.
We're blowing it. It feels kind of weird. It's thicker than air.
Should we be doing this in the room?
It's a small...
No, that's not right. Yeah.
Kathy, I love you. You better still love her.
Okay, how do I do it?
It's time to face away.
Stop it. I don't notice anything.
You gotta stop making me laugh.
Okay, we gotta...
I wanna... Man, that feels...